Hi everyone, my name's Margaret and I'll be playing cello with you today. We're going to start with page 39 in the Brown Book, Ode to Joy. So this one doesn't have any letters written in the names, so that's awesome. I'm glad you guys are playing without the letters. Notice a few things. We have some dynamic markings at the beginning. We have a forte, then on the third line we have a piano, and then on the last line we're back at a forte again. This piece is in the key of D major, meaning that we are going to have F sharps and C sharps. So we don't really have to worry about the C sharps, but the F sharps we want to make sure we have nice curved fingers with your third finger. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take a pretty slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job, guys. Just making sure that you're paying attention to those eighth notes in lines 3 and lines 4, where we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it's very, very important to make sure when you do those that you use short bows. Dum, bum. So you don't want to use a lot of bow because then it makes kind of a wispy sound and you want to have more bow control. So let's just really quickly just go over lines 3, measure 2, and line 4, measure 1. So it's going to go E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E. So let's just play that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, F sharp, G, F sharp, D. Good. And then the first measure of line 4, same rhythmic pattern, but this time it starts on the E note. Let's try that together. E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. And if you slowly speed it up, you'll be able to play it super fast and the whole thing steadily and beautifully. Thank you.